Chapter 4, Introduction to GIMP. Already in playlist I have made 3 videos, separately videos of all 3 chapters and with question answer. But knowing too much about GIMP, here there is humble suggestion to my humble viewer: subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. You are seeing, observing, it crosses my subscribers has crossed 750. So this is my humble suggestion to humble viewer: subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. Introduction. In case of GIMP, using GIMP, you may resize, adjust brightness, contrast, changing color, adding filters, transferring an image, like so many things you can do. You can make rectangular arrangement of a small squares, and this is known as pixels, which are arranged in rows. Rectangular arrangement. Here, in the following grid, represent the first letter to your name by filling boxes with black color. But I have used here red color. Activity. Do you know most digital camera by default shoot in JPEG format? JPEG. You will observe while you are taking a photo, JPEG is written. Photoshop, PCE, AC or R, GIMP, paint but of these GIMP and span source. Do you know what is GIMP? Very simple thing. GNU image manipulation program. What is manipulation? You know, they are given adding and you have to manipulate. You know in simply algebra how you manipulate in mathematics. It is a free open source image editing software. Image editing may involve photo retouching, resizing, cropping, etc. GIMP can also be used as a simple paint program. Okay, Wilbur is the official mascot of GIMP and was first released in 1996. And starting GIMP, all things is same. Working with menus, it is also file menu, it is same thing. Creating a new file, you know this thing, how you create a file. Very simple. Activity, no, yes, my office scratch. WWC game folder. Microsoftware G0.095 and 971200 XPDOC. Rich text format. Project exported file text SP real chat. Background color and desired desired copy strokes. Power observation in space foreground. Click in to swap the foreground and backgrounds. Click this to recent the foreground and background. Activity, cut, copy, paste, yes. Here reverse the last action, like this thing. You may pause the video and you are able to write. Command you know about: fill with FG color command, BG color command, pattern command, like so on. Citrol plus Citrol plus. Okay, scissor, you know about scissor. Select the color by color tool. Move tool, how will you move a tool? This tool is used to move the selected areas from one position to another. Okay, just select this tool, click and drag to move the selected area. Color tool, eraser tool, pencil tool, bucket tool, fill tool, rectangular selection tool. Research activity, GIMP, photo, escape, the Nike collection, pants, net etc. Assessment activity, Citrol plus. You may pause the video and you are able to write. Just for revision, chapter 4 GIMP. Here in this book you may observe this is written in black color. You may pause the video and you are able to write. Black, foreground black, foreground. The background colors change to green. Cut, copy, paste, yes. Here you may pause the video and you are able to write all these things. Here, yes. Color tool, eraser tool like this. I have already sent you in video. Here also this is Photoshop. Now question answer time. You may pause the video and you are able to write. GIMP, steps to create a file. You may pause the video and you are able to write all question answers. You may take a screenshot also. There is no problem in this video. There is no problem to take a screenshot. You may pause the video and you are able to write all question answers. I have already made more than 211 videos, and in all these videos I have shown like this and no problem has come. So once again I am sending you written question answers. I hope you are able to write. You may pause the video and you are able to write. You can take a screenshot also. Now next thing we want to share you. This is my humble suggestion to all humble viewer. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for upcoming video. Also share, like and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.